what's up?
Oh, not much. That's trying to be safe in these streets here. You don't have to go out every so often to go to the grocery store. So I'm trying to be safe. I'm experimenting with masks, my dear.
Okay, that's a very nice mask you have there.
Yeah.
You made that?
Yes, I made it. I made it, but I figure I could use this.
It looks good.
Yeah, I'm using this from some underwear. You recognize the front part?
What do you mean? Come on. Panty?
Some black, hardly used, clean, hardly used, use no more. So here it is. You see the sides?
I see the sides.
Yeah, this is the elastic part that goes to the side.
Oh, you added that, or that's just the side of the pant?
Yeah, and I just cut it.
Oh, you just cut it.
I cut it.
Okay.
I can just tie in the back. Put tie in the back.
Kuya.
Don't like that.
It looks good though.
Trust me, it's better than an N95.
Wait a minute, it match your blouse?
It might see, yes, and I can do all colors if I want.
Better than an N95 though?
Better than an N95.
I don't, but it's thin. It's thin, but I see what you're doing.
I thought that look at my backup. This is sponge from my makeup thing. They are too crazy. I just put this. I don't even want to let it go yet. But here, I put these two where my nostrils would be and cover it up.
Okay.
Then talk, I'm good. So that's it. That's one.
That's one, okay.
And I can change out every day if I want to. And this one here now, because it's two pieces, I have the other big piece. Now you recognize this, right?
I mean, I don't know that panty. Is that what you're asking me?
No. But fancy style, of course, here is a big piece.
Wait a minute, that's your panty? Why that panty look like a large?
It is not a large.
Oh.
Medium stretch out.
Oh.
But this is the big piece now.
Okay.
I cut another one. I would cut it with the string longer so I can tie it in the back, just like the little bow tie in the back.
Okay, now.
And this can even hang down like it is. Or if I'm wearing something with a turtleneck, I just tuck this in like you know, like it as my neck cover up.
I see.
Good.
I'm not mad at it, and it's cute.
It's cute, and I like, you know, and I have all different colors. So if I'm wearing, I can do matching things. I tell you. And look.
Modestly lavish panty masks.
If it's too much, if I feel like it's not, the stuff going to go through, I can't. I put it right on the nose bridge part, you know, like put it down like that, and put them right where my nose is.
Right.
Yeah, and I'm good to go.
I'm not mad at it, honestly.
Yeah, you know, and to me, it's practical.
No sew.
Oh, no.
Literally just cut something.
Just cut. And if you want this, you can just tuck it, you know how you tuck under? You just under like that.
Okay.
Tuck under and you're done. Nothing.
All right, and that's the only mask you made, or?
Well, I have more. I have all kinds. But you can have this one.
Okay.
This is my I call it my no spray. No spray, get on this one. And I have on my mask.
What do you mean no spray?
Look at this, like I'm a space person. This is just a coat.
Oh, like you don't have to spray it, you mean?
Yeah, everybody sneeze, and you know how some people sneeze out loud like poof.
Oh, when it get through the cloth or material.
It spray all over the place. I still can't see everything. And then now, I just put this right over it. And it's an emergency thing, because if I see it coming, or I hear it coming, I just do poof.
But wait, how did you make this?
Well, I had a Coke bottle, okay?
Okay.
And I cut off at the top part. All the way up to the little curved section.
Okay.
And then I cut the bottom off about maybe 2 inches up with a little groovy section. And then I take the top and use the scissors, the pair of scissors, and cut down so all the way to meet the other cut at the bottom.
Okay.
Then I pull it out like this, and then cut along the bottom.
All right.
And see, now I was trying to be fancy to get some extra protection in case it fall off. But this would be like nice little strings or what you call them things, you know, pipe cleaner. Oh yes, from school.
Oh, that's pipe cleaner?
Yes, yes. I put the pipe cleaner in there and just come out like this.
Honestly, the only thing is that it's a little open on the bottom, but you know.
Well, I could bring it down if I want to.
Oh, got you.
Just
And just wear one scarf or hoodie, zip it up or something.
You see how we come all the way down now?
I see, and then you probably when you put on your jacket or whatever, you just zip you up
Yeah.
because so your neck won't be exposed.
No, right. And I have Velcro from school if I want to make it fancy. I just get some little Velcro things and go across 2 times. And that's it.
Mom, you step out with this mask though? Do you step out with this one?
I have stepped out a couple times.
With that clear thing?
Yeah.
And people look at you?
Guess what? I swear I was going to win the lottery to fix everybody's problem. And I went to the little store near me, where a whole bunch of people come and they're all close up together buying the lottery tickets and scratch off and things. And I didn't feel comfortable because they're too close and you can even feel them breathing on your back even with all that's going on.
Right.
And some of them in front of you turn around to say something to you like, you get rice yet? You buy toilet paper yet? You buy this and that yet? And they're talking right up in your face.
But did anybody laugh at you with that thing on your face?
No, because they think they should do it too. I don't care what they say. I just want to be safe. I'd rather be safe than sorry.
True.
I'd rather be looking silly than sick.
Yeah, this is true.
I'd rather be home than in the ICU.
Hello. 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 I like it.
And I can cut and do all. If I want a green one, I can get a green bottle. I don't know how I'm going to see though, much. But if I want a red one, I can get a red. But I figure the clear one goes with anything.
So let me ask you, so you tie the pipe cleaners?
To tie the pipe cleaner, yeah. This one now I could tie up top. Or I would want to go tie right here.
Okay.
Right here to get it close.
Go show us.
Huh?
You can show.
Why, what?
How you tie it?
Oh, look, see this is the pipe cleaner thing at the top like that. And
No, I'm saying, yes, do it on you now. Show me.
Okay. Uh-oh, this one too short. I put this one too short. But if I want it long down like this, I can pull it down. And this one is kind of, you can go up or down with this one. If you want to breathe better when you get outside and you still want to cover up, you can do like that.
Okay.
And if you want to even have a string here and make it look like a little tie under here, you could do that. But hey.
Okay, well, thank you.
It served the purpose.
Thank you very much for showing how you did your mask. I think it's very creative. I like it.
And I'm thinking it's a nose spray. And people do all kind of things because I see all kind of craziness out there. But I think this is good.
Yes.
Because I don't want to stress any more than I stress
No,
right now.
you shouldn't. Well, thank you so much. Love you, and I'll talk to you later. Okay.
Yeah, later.
All right. Look more. Love you.